So I guess it was really nice, and I believe that you people you have been inspired by some good musical, messages from what I've brought out as Waka Stopper for all these years. And I'm yet what you really look at one or met them on a kichwa on the music make because music be very phone, okay? But one tell the way one way to the phone. Uting uno be, utwak uno music or bene, music or beno chat, wow, chat my boy, we love mo kind of bene. And ichawani, and here yom, ni digital age, go me this opportunity, ke one child away, may be exposed to the world. And here yom, Adida, I'm so proud to be part of this platform. And mafupa bene, I meet ni. Timatomo ikamatiwa okay, nyumainyo ni Imaro music, Imaro actually music. Please subscribe to Digital EH online festival, and then also please subscribe to my channel as Waka Stopper also, and continue supporting gospel music. And if you want to go gospel music again, please support our music so that we can also go very far. And also my other channels, other platforms also. Please, you subscribe and keep liking. Thank you so much. God bless you.